because I need an excuse to show off my new toys, and because I realize I haven't single pin picked a lot of master locks on my channel. Usually I'll just break them or tickle them. Let's see if I can do this again. This one likes to be tickled right in the back. Yep, that last pin. An exceptional disappointment. Just throw him over there. This one gives me some fight sometimes. Yep, just like. Come on. I don't know what it is about this one. Must have been having a good day when I made this one. Where's that one lock that likes to make a fool of you? Think you can pick master locks, and what about me? Come on now. There, thank you. It's the least disappointing master lock I own. I don't know why the bidding's that. I don't know if good's the right word for it. Adequate, maybe? It's not too bad. Last but, well, not least anyway. But there you go.